In this video, I will show you, can someone see my profile if I like their post and later I unlike the post on Instagram? Can that person see my profile? So follow me, I will show you step by step. First of all, let's say I will just tap on this profile after I open my profile like this. So now I will give you an example with this post. After I open this post, as you can see now, I'll just go ahead and find a post that got some likes. So I'll just try with this post. As you can see now, this post. So as you can see now, this post now got 5 likes. As you can see now, here is it. This post got 5 likes. So now if I want to see how many people like this video, I'll just tap on this like section. So as you can see now, here it says 5 likes. As you can see now, here are the people that like my post on Instagram. So now if I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now I'll go ahead and like the post myself. So as you can see now, I put in my like. Now the like has turned to 6. As you can see now it has 6 like because I now like my post myself. So now if I tap on this like section again, now tap on this likes. So as you can see now under the likes, as you can see now the post has 6 likes, and here is the one that I just made. So now if I go back now and tap on unlike, now I unlike the post. So if I tap on the like section again, now as you can see now my profile has disappeared. So if the person that you like his post on Instagram, before you unlike the post, he already checked that you like that post, and later on if you unlike the post, if the person check the people that like this post, he cannot see your profile because you unlike the post. That's it, guys. If you like a post and unlike it again, the person or the owner of the post can be able to see your profile. And if you just unlike the post, he cannot be able to see your profile. That's it. Hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.